How to download Fortnite on your PC or laptop. It's going to be a very easy and simple process. First, open your browser and visit the Epic Games website. I have put the link in the description below. Then, you can click download right here in the top right corner. After that, wait until the download finishes and click open folder. You will see the file that you just downloaded. You can open it by double-clicking. It will then start verifying the update and downloading the data. Just wait until it is finished. After that, it will install the update and open the Epic Games launcher on your PC. Next, you can sign in to your Epic Games account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account. You will then be asked to confirm if it's the right account. Just click yes. You can also link your console game account to your Epic Games account if you have one. I don't, so I will just skip this step. Next, click allow to give access to the Epic Games launcher, and the app will open. You will be asked to allow Epic Games services to install on your computer. You can just click OK. Now search for Fortnite in the search box, and you will find it. Then, click Get. Lastly, a pop-up will appear, and you just have to click Place Order. After that, Fortnite will install on your computer, and you are ready to play.